In a world consumed by the pursuit of material well-being, it's easy to overlook the multifaceted nature of true health. We tend to define health by the absence of disease, focusing primarily on the physical body, while neglecting the crucial interplay of mind, body, and spirit. True health encompasses far more than the mere absence of illness. It's a state of complete well-being, a harmonious balance of physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects. This holistic perspective recognizes the interconnectedness of our being, acknowledging that each element influences and impacts the others. The CWS Method, which stands for Conversations with Self, provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and achieving this holistic well-being. This model views health as the ability of an organism to adapt to, coexist with, and influence its environment. It shifts our focus from merely treating symptoms to understanding the underlying causes of imbalance and disharmony within the intricate ecosystem of our being. The conventional medical paradigm limits its scope to the physical realm, addressing symptoms as isolated malfunctions within the body. This approach, while valuable in acute care, often overlooks the deeper roots of illness, which lie in the interplay of our thoughts, emotions, and our environment. The CWS model expands this definition, recognizing that health extends far beyond the physical body and the brain. It encompasses our mental, emotional, spiritual, and environmental well-being, acknowledging the powerful influence these aspects have on our overall health. Our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, conditioned by our seen and unseen environment, can manifest as physical and/or psychological dysregulations, which will influence our overall health and behavior. Stress, for example, can trigger a cascade of physiological and behavioral responses, impacting our relationships, weakening the immune system, and increasing susceptibility to illness. Therefore, true health requires us to address all aspects of our being, fostering a harmonious balance between our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual selves. The CWS model provides a framework for achieving this balance, empowering us to take a proactive role in our well-being. The CWS model posits that true health lies in our ability to adapt to, coexist with, and influence our environment. This dynamic interplay between organism and environment forms the foundation of our well-being. Adaptation refers to our capacity to adjust to changes in our internal and external environment. Just as our bodies naturally regulate temperature and adapt to varying altitudes, we must also learn to adapt to life's inevitable challenges and transitions. Coexistence emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with our surroundings, including the natural world, our communities, and our own internal landscape. This involves cultivating a sense of interconnectedness and recognizing the impact our actions have on the world around us. Influence highlights our need to matter, to be of service, to actively shape our environment with our gifts and abilities. This doesn't imply control over external circumstances, but rather the power to choose our responses, cultivate positive habits, and create an environment that supports our well-being. Instinctive wisdom, guiding us to our right environment. Deep within each of us lies an innate wisdom, a guiding force that directs us toward environments and experiences that support our growth and flourishing. This instinctive wisdom manifests as intuition, gut feelings, and a deep-seated knowing that often defies logical explanation. Just as animals instinctively migrate to more favorable climates or seek out specific foods for nourishment, we too possess an inner compass that guides us toward environments that align with our needs and purpose. This inner guidance system operates on both a physical and energetic level, drawing us toward people, places, and experiences that resonate with our authentic selves. When we're attuned to this inner wisdom, we naturally gravitate toward environments that nourish our mind, body, and spirit. We may feel drawn to certain activities, careers, or relationships that ignite our passions and align with our values. However, when we ignore or suppress this innate guidance, we may find ourselves in environments that deplete our energy, stifle our creativity, or compromise our well-being. This misalignment often manifests as discomfort, discontent, or a sense of feeling lost or unfulfilled. The language of discomfort, recognizing misalignment. Our bodies possess an intricate communication system, constantly sending signals and cues to alert us to imbalances and guide us back to a state of equilibrium. Discomfort, whether physical, emotional, or mental, serves as a messenger, alerting us to misalignment within our being. Pain, for instance, is the body's way of signaling injury or dysfunction. Similarly, emotional distress, such as anxiety or sadness, can indicate unaddressed emotional wounds or a need for greater self-care. Mentally, brain fog, lack of focus, or difficulty concentrating can signal cognitive overload or a need for rest and rejuvenation. These discomforts, often perceived as negative or unwanted, are actually valuable opportunities for growth and transformation. They provide insights into areas of our lives that require attention, urging us to make course corrections and restore harmony within ourselves and our environment. Join us in embracing this new paradigm of healing with the CWS method.